Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 X 彤。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And every day we have to wake up. 每一天都要起床的嘛，对不对？
當然啦，
當然啦，對不對？起床之後呢，就有好多事情要做了。There's a lot of things that we do when we wake up, and we've never taught you how to say that in Hakka. 所以今天呢，用这个客家話來教大家起床後要做的一些事情啊。
好啊。
比如說要去刷牙 ，You gotta brush your teeth, right?
沖牙齒。
沖牙齒 ，OK, that means brush your teeth. 那當然會用到什麼東西呢？牙刷跟牙膏 ，There's the toothbrush and the toothpaste. 牙刷。
牙搓誒。
牙搓誒 ，OK, that's the toothbrush. 然後還有牙膏。
牙膏。
牙膏 ，OK, 這聽得比較像 ，That's toothpaste. All right, after that, you gotta wash your face as well. 一定要洗臉。
洗面，洗就是洗，面就是臉。
OK, 洗面。OK, that means wash your face. And of course, you gotta use a couple of things too. The towel 要毛巾。
面趴。
面趴。
趴就是一個手帕的感覺。
哦，給臉的一個手帕就叫面趴。
對，面趴。
Okay, that's a towel. And then a lot of people use soap.
茶壺。
茶壺 that's soap. Some girls need to put makeup on. 就要化妝。
化妝。
化妝 Okay, that's put makeup. And for guys, we have to shave.
對，刮洗。
刮洗 Okay. And finally, perhaps you need to brush your hair. Otherwise, you have to put a cap on like me.
我知道原因。
哎，什麼東西？我很懶。
所以啊，我要建議你要石頭。
石頭
就是梳頭。
我以為你在說我的頭像石頭哎。
哦，沒有。
害我嚇了一跳，原來呢是梳頭的意思。That means brush your hair, okay? And then in 海陸，
梳頭。
哦，蠻不一樣的。梳頭 Okay, that's a different dialect of saying brushing your hair. Let's review these terms. 刷牙 brush your teeth.
沖牙齒。
沖牙齒 And then you have to use a toothbrush. 牙刷。
牙搓誒。
牙搓誒 And also toothpaste. 牙膏。
牙膏。
牙膏 And then you're gonna wash your face. 洗臉。
洗面。
洗面 using a towel. 毛巾。
面趴。
面趴 And soap. 肥皂。
茶壺。
茶壺 And girls need to put on makeup. 要化妝。
化妝。
化妝 And guys who have beards need to shave.
刮洗。
刮洗刮鬍子 And finally, brush your hair. 梳頭。
石頭。
石頭 And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
按字社長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.